Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to convert that pin here, that breakout. As you can see right here, there's a break pin right here. So I'm going to show you to convert a pin there. So let's get started. Here it is. I get it out. So I'm gonna do some soldering now. I'm going to put it in back. So I'm cleaning away back the hole so I can insert a pin. So as you can see, this is an old motor. I'm going to take up this pin here and put it in there. Well, the hole a bit too small for it, so I'm gonna try to get it a little bigger.